Hi everyone, in today's how-to series, we are going to teach everyone about the flash deals function on the Shopee app. Before we dive in, let's review the quiz question from the previous episode. The correct answer is option 4, all of the above. Now, let's get started. Flash deals are items being sold at lower prices as they are time-limited offers. To find the flash deals section, scroll down on your Shopee homepage. Here are some featured flash deals. The countdown tells us how long the flash deals will last for. After the countdown ends, you will no longer be able to purchase the flash deal item at its flash deal promotional price. Click on the See All Deals button here to view more flash deals going on currently. You can view the ongoing flash deals by either scrolling down or by switching the tabs to view the different categories. Some of the categories include top picks, where the more popular products will be shown, 10-cent deals, where all the products will be going at 10 cents, electronics, and home appliances. Click on the Buy Now button to purchase the item at the flash deal price. Remember that you have to check out before the countdown timer ends, or else you will not get the flash deal discounted price. To view upcoming flash deals, click on the Coming Soon tabs to view which products will be on flash sale at that specific timing. If you see a product that you are interested in, you can click on the Remind Me button beside the product to set a reminder before the flash deal starts. If you made a mistake and wish to cancel the reminder, simply click the Cancel Reminder button. Time for the question of the day. Can I purchase a flash deal product at the flash deal price after the timing countdown expires? Option 1. Yes. Option 2. No. And that is all for this episode. In the next episode, we will be teaching you about the Shopee Live feature on the Shopee app. See you!